Okay, so if you type hiring near me into Google and ended up here, yeah, same. You're not crazy, you're not lazy. The job market is just generally rough right now. And I'm going to explain why real fast and then tell you exactly what to do about it. So here's the deal. On paper, unemployment is around 4.3%, which sounds fine, right? But job openings dropped to 6.5 million in late 2025. That's one of the lowest points since 2020. Basically, fewer doors are open and everyone's piling up at the same ones. Experts are calling it low hire, low fire situation. Companies aren't doing massive layoffs unless you're in tech, but they're also not bringing in new people in. Job openings per unemployment person just dipped below 1. So yeah, it's not you, it's generally very competitive out there. Alright, so here's what actually moves the needle. 1, stop searching just hiring near me. Try walk-in interviews near me or attempt to hire near me. You're matching how urgent roles actually get posted. 2, filter for jobs posted in the last 24 to 72 hours. Old posts are basically resume graveyards. Get in fresh. 3, hit up staffing agency. I know, but temp roles turn into permanent ones all the time, especially when companies are being cautious. 4, fix your resume for the robots. Simple format, no fancy tables, mirror the keywords from the job post. Top third of the page should scream, I'm your person. Look, if it feels like you're doing everything right and still getting nowhere, that's not a you problem. The market's slow, hiring's tight, competition is very intense. Drop a comment below, let me know how it's going. Now go apply to something posted in the last hour. Good luck.